Hey y'all, we about to go to the beach. We about to have fun.
Yeah.
We about to meet up with auntie
Yeah.
and uncle
Yeah.
and cousin.
Yeah.
Well, they got names, but about to meet up with Shreja,
Yeah.
Amir, Danny, and whoever else come. I don't know half of the people they view us, so no shade, no shade, no shade. Y'all pretty. Y'all know that?
Yeah.
But we gotta go pick up some snacks. So
Yeah. That's nice. Let me get a lot of snacks.
about to get some snacks.
Oh,
We're gonna get the snacks.
what is that?
That's not gonna be frozen in time. Come on. What snacks I wanna get? I got on this one. What snacks I wanna get?
I want. No. Oreo cookies. Oreo.
Oh,
That's
no cookie. Which snack out? No, they're not the snack out. Let's go to snack out. Go, go, go. Y'all want some chips?
Yeah.
Right here, look.
Can we get things?
Girl, who's carrying that?
Me. Yeah, Mama.
Alright, so get, how much is it?
$5. I'm thinking. $1.
It's no price on it, so are you supposed to know how much is it?
Wow, that says $3.
Who's gonna eat that bit? Come on. Come on, first of all. Let's look for the snack out. You want Lunchable? That's for dogs. You want Lunchable?
Oh, yeah, 2. Yummy, on my tummy.
Both?
That cookie one.
The cookie one?
Yeah, 2.
They're gonna eat it?
Yeah.
Alright.
I don't want it.
I'm gonna get 2 for Amir.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. We're not getting too much snacks, but we're gonna get enough snacks for like the beach. Oh, me too, baby. I gotta get some cheese for your auntie.
Yeah, I know what the cheese is. Please. Yeah? Can we get yogurt? Can we get yogurt?
That's not gonna be, it's not gonna be good by the time.
It's okay.
If y'all want it, you want it, if you want it, come get, go get it. Come on. If you want to get it, come on. Close that. Close it.
No! Fire! Cut it off!
My sister.
Hello?
You got any juices for the kids?
Oh, we ain't get no juices, but we still can get some while we outside.
All right. Do I make Lunchables? Cause I got him 2 Lunchables.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Yeah! We have this one.
All right.
Yay!
What other snacks do y'all want? Well,
That's what your mom would do.
That's what y'all want? Better hurry up. No, we get photo about auntie there. Wait. Come on,
I got you one too.
okay.
I have this one. I got you one.
Go. Oh, I dropped it.
I want to stop it, Mommy.
Think I wanna. Huh? No, no chocolate. We finally made it to the train. Right?
Yeah.
We about to have fun.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, fight a poo.
Beach.
Please, I'm a baby bug. And a pink fun. I want to
But
relax.
have fun. Somebody gonna be relaxing.
Yeah.
Bella gonna wanna have fun.
I want to have fun.
Gonna have fun and relax.
I'm going to run a
Yeah,
little bit. And
see y'all when we halfway to my sister's house.
what's your sister?
Sheree is my sister.
Oh, sis, that looks like your sister. No,
Bella's my child.
I will buy after this house. That's happy.
Yep.
Want to fight about it?
Say hi to my channel.
You don't want to fight about it? You want to fight
Say
about
hi
it?
to my channel.
Huh?
Say hi to my channel.
Hi. You want to fight about it?
Say hi to my channel, y'all. The shitty ass.
Mommy, come help me out. She's right there.
Where the water?
Where's the water?
That bitch got a whole cigarette.
Got a whole cigarette. Spent her last $4 on that.
Bella.
You got the transit.
Yeah, sorry.
See when they come.
Ooh, get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. You don't want to dance? I mean, you being. Jemaya. Hi, Jemaya. No, I got to wait to get the bus to get some drink. Oh my way.
TikTok. I hope we responded to her.
Say hi.
She really be talking to herself.
I feel like she around before I blow up.
Hold on, my wig pushed back.
That's how you roll up. Time I show up.
It's hot.
Don't do
Yeah,
things, she
bitch,
gon'
what's
see.
that?
I bought her home, she partner with my
It's hot. We about to get the Omega here, y'all.
See me, she wants me.
The minute up.
TV, no.
Grab it.
Put on like your friend.
What happened? Don't forget this. Don't step on the blanket. What happened? I'm about to say don't step on the stand. The stand hot? It's hot? Bella! Bella is not Karen.
Oh, shit.
I need some of that battery saved. That battery for my phone. Now this bitch is like Zion.
Your ass is supposed to come down. What happened?
Zion. Hi. That's why we got beef now. We're gonna forever have beef.